lockdown. So, yeah. Yeah, this party's pretty great compared to tax season. You know, I'm an accountant. Yeah, you told me that already. So, yeah, so, you see the Yankee game the other day?
Poof!
Who the fuck is this guy?
Oh, hey!
Oh my god.
I don't want to stir any, stir anyone who's up there.
Tim, you just need to go, okay?
Hey, check out your blood
What are you fucking talking about?
buddy.
Who is this fucking asshole? I'll fucking kick his fucking ass.
Hey, I'm
Tim,
this fucking asshole.
Tim. Okay.
Hey, what? I'm just making some jokes.
Jonathan, you need to calm down, okay?
Sorry, you called me an asshole. I'm just trying to make some jokes.
Hey, listen, alright? We're gonna talk, but just hang on, okay? Tim, seriously, just... Alright. I'll fucking call you later or whatever.
Hey, nice meeting you, guy. Hey,
know,
nice guy you got there, huh? Whoa.
You haven't changed.
Mr. Personality.
You haven't changed in 10 years. You know that?
Oh, 10 years.
You're ridiculous.
Oh, thank you. I'm still as handsome as day one, huh? Whoa.
Predictable. Completely boring.
Thank you.
Unoriginal.
Completely handsome is more like it. Whoa. Not seriously, sweetheart. You look great. What are those, angel wings? I love them. Seriously, you've always had those wings?
Yeah.
Whoa, well, I'm just noticing them now.
Yeah,
Let me tell you.
You didn't notice anything before but my tits! And look what happened there!
Hey, speaking of tits, hey, get over here! Get over here! Yeah, I want you to meet someone. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, this is my ex. Yes, ex, meet my, my new.
Who the fuck is that?
This is my new.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Does it look like I'm fucking you? Or kidding you? Whoa! Hey, honey, I'm just kidding.
Okay, it's not funny.
She thinks I'm funny. She thinks I'm funny.
You're not fucking funny. She's a moron. You're a fucking moron.
Whoa!
You speak English?
Whoa! Only I call her a fucking moron. And it's when I'm fucking her. You moron. Whoa! Yo, chick. Baby, you hear what I said? Why aren't you laughing? I said you're a fucking moron. She's not much in the brains department, but boy, she is...
You're disgusting!
Whoa, sorry,
You're so
hey!
disgusting, I fucking hate you.
I'm a fucking kind of devil guy, what do you expect?
I don't know what I expected, I thought you loved me.
Whoa, hey! Hey, no. Hey, tits, give us some time. Hey, sweetheart, no, it's just us now, it's just us.
Okay,
just
I'm
us.
alright.
Oh, whoa. That was a pretty quick change
Yeah,
there.
no, I know.
You go from like 0
I know,
to 60,
they haven't figured out the cocktail
You're
yet.
still crazy, huh? Yeah. I like it. I dig it.
They're working on it,
No, I still
but
dig
it's
it.
a process.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're a crazy bitch.
Yeah.
How come I stopped calling you?
I don't know. Why did you stop calling me?
Oh, yeah, because you're a crazy bitch. Oh, no, I'm fucking serious, though. I'm fucking real serious. We could fucking hang out now. I think we got over the stuff we needed to get over.
No, totally.
It's in the past.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you like movies? Still?
Yeah, I like movies. Of course I like movies.
Hey, I just got Netflix.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, I gotta check my queue, but I'm pretty sure it's got some romantic shit on there that,
I love that.
if I bump some shit aside, then maybe you and I could do something.
Hey, that would be really
Yeah,
cool.
I've seen like The Hangover 8 times, but,
Oh, I haven't seen that yet.
Oh!
My God.
Well, I mean, it's not romantic, but,
No, but it's funny. It's funny.
Yeah, it is funny.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, you'd have to be a retard not to like that movie. I made a joke from the movie, huh? Hey, now hold on. Now, seriously,
what?
We are really gonna get together, huh? Is this really,
I
is
don't
this
know.
happening?
You invited me over to watch a movie.
Okay, I know. I'm just saying. I mean, are we being serious or we just bullshitting it? Because I like the bullshit, but I'm being serious now.
It's not like we can just go back to how it was before, okay? You don't just like,
No. It'll be better this time.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Well, I make a lot of jokes, but this face is serious, baby.
All right.
Serious about you. Now go get out there. Go have a good time tonight. I'll see you Thursday at 8.
What?
Thursday at 8.
What?
See you Thursday
What?
at 8. I'll see you Thursday at 8.
Oh, right. Thursday, right.
Yeah, Thursday.
Oh, yeah, no.
That's the night we're hanging out. Netflix.
Right. Yeah, you still have my number, right?
Yeah, well, I'll figure it out.
No, let me just give it to you.
What do you want, Facebook? I'll Facebook you.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah.
See you on Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah, let's take a picture now. Hold on. Let me get my girlfriend to get the camera.
Okay.
Hold on. She's not really my girlfriend. She's just some girl I'm seeing.
Right. No,
No, it's you know you get it.
No, I
you
get it.
me.
No, it's cool.
See, that's why we're good, baby. You get me. You still get me.
Yeah, no,
you
it's
still
cool.
get me.
No,
hold
it's
on,
cool.
hold on.
It's cool.
Hey, baby, hey, tits, come back here. Yeah, take a picture of me and Julie. Take a picture of me and Julie.
God.
Yeah. Hey.
Okay.
All right, let's pretend we just saw Barack Obama. Look, Barack Obama!
Yay!
Oh, all right. Let's have it come out.
Okay.
Come out good. Yeah. Look. See, it's the three of us. There we go.
Okay.
And look, you're kind of winking at the camera. I think it's sexy.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, baby.
Okay.
All right. So see you Thursday.
Okay.
All right. Well, good seeing you.
Okay. But
Mwah.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're still going to 7-Eleven and fucking later. Okay. Yeah. Awesome.